So I want to start on kind of a potentially unexpected note
OMG.
because when
Okay.
I was talking to Ella in Belmont, I brought up the fact that Hannah and Garrett reminded me a lot of Haley and Nathan from One Tree Hill. And they said that you made that analysis all the time, figuring
All the
out ways
time.
that the show or not related to One Tree Hill, but like reminded you
The
potentially
essence.
of
Yeah.
that, the
Yeah.
essence. So I do have a question connected to that, but I also that's one of my favorite shows of all time, and I just wanted to kind of like geek out over it for a second with you now that I
Yes.
know you also love it.
Please. I'm obsessed. It's such a good show. It's such a good show.
It's
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's so good. So
Yeah.
my question kind of related to that was, as a TV viewer yourself, do you have any romantic relationships that you enjoy seeing on screen, but also any friendships potentially just as a TV fan yourself, the way that I feel like people are really going to resonate with these characters when they see them?
Yeah. Well, let me just shout out Nathan and Haley really quick because
Yeah.
oh my goodness, I'm obsessed with them. And yeah, like you do see a few parallels and it's so beautiful. The first time that they have their first kiss and it's I dare you to move. Like, come on. What a
In the
way to
rain?
do it. Yeah. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
perfect. It's
Yeah.
perfect. But yeah, I would say honestly, one of my favorite shows and favorite friend dynamics would have to be New Girl. I think I don't know if you've seen that show, but my
Yes, I have.
goodness, you just fall in love with all of them and you're just rooting for every single one of them. And honestly, I haven't even thought about this, but it feels like our show feels a bit like a mixture of like a One Tree Hill and a New Girl type situation. Do you know what I'm
Hmm.
saying? Like it feels like that chosen family of it all. I just think is so prevalent in our show that, you know, when you're watching shows growing up and all those things, like you want that. You just you crave that in these characters, and I love that we got to be a part of something like that. It's
Yeah.
pretty cool. Yeah. What
And I
about
think
you?
the
Oh, never
ooh,
mind. We don't have that much time, but tell me.
okay, now all I can think about is One Tree Hill too.
I
I
know.
love Friends as well.
Oh yeah, of
Love
course.
that.
Of course.
And I was going to say, talking about all of those other shows, I feel like that's something that a lot of viewers miss in kind of contemporary media sometimes is
Yeah.
like really believing that the characters really truly care about each other. And even in our other
Mhm.
interview with the other guys, I was like, man, these guys really like have relationships with each other. So I
Yeah.
really love seeing that come through on screen. Um,
Love those guys.
and Another thing that really stood out to me, specifically more at the beginning of the season,
Yeah.
um, is this is also kind of a maybe potentially random, funny question, but
Uh-huh.
just seeing the romantic elements of like having a crush and
Mhm.
being just like kind of stumbling over yourself. And it made me think of all the times I've done that. And I was wondering if you had any stories you would be willing to share about embarrassing yourself in front of a crush, the way that so many of us have.
Oh man. Embarrassing myself in front of a crush? Probably all the time. I get embarrassed on the regular. Let me think. I don't know about like a that's a really tough question. I would
Like
have
a
to like
really
go
long
back
time
in my
ago, I
mind and
like
see like what
spilled
media.
water in somebody's lap. And I was
You
like,
spilled
oh,
water in somebody's lap?
I did.
I'm so sorry,
It's
Chloe.
okay. It's all good.
At least it was just water and it wasn't like Pepsi or something. That would suck.
No.
Or like
Yeah.
tequila. Nobody wants to smell
Oh.
like tequila all night.
Ooh.
I don't know. I don't know. Well, you know what? I will say my first kiss ever when I was 12 years old. I was on a cruise.
Oh.
It was New Year's Eve, and the nerves were there. I had met this girl. There was a little friend group going on, and I was really like, you know the anticipation. Everyone kind of knows what's going on. Everybody's gonna kiss at midnight, whatever. And I never had my first kiss, so I was very nervous. And we get to midnight, and I go in, and I completely miss her lips entirely. I'm like, this is her lip, and I'm like chin, low key. Like I wouldn't even mark it as my first kiss. Later on, we did get to have a second go at it, and I feel like I did a little bit better. Still not great, but Yeah, I would say that was pretty embarrassing.
I am so excited, not only for everybody to see season one, but the fact that we're getting season two and
Heck yeah.
yes, we're getting some new cast additions. And I'm just curious for
Mhm.
you, what are you excited to see about, either excited to see or hoping for on the future of these characters in this story?
Yeah, I mean, what was so great about the first season is that you are rooting for everybody. Like you get to know a little bit about everybody's situation and what they're going through. So honestly, we don't know what's coming in season two. Like there's so much that can happen. There's so much potential. And obviously we have something going on with Dean and Allie, and we're really excited to see what's going on with that. Maybe Logan's gonna meet a Grace in season two. I'm very excited about that.
Maybe.
We found her, so maybe he'll meet her. Um, so I am excited about that because obviously in the first season Logan's going through it a little bit, and he's got complicated relationships in multiple different aspects of his life. I'm excited, to kind of dive a little bit deeper into his family relationships. Hopefully, his relationship with Garrett can, evolve and they can find that love and that bond that they had prior to this like kind of misunderstanding. I'm, yeah, of course, super excited for the grace of it all, and I'm excited to see a little bit of Tucker, a little bit of see. Really, I'm excited to see like Hannah and Garrett just get to be like happy together for a little bit and sort of go through those motions of being in a relationship for the first time and like healing and all of that stuff. It's just everything. I'm excited for everything. I can't wait. I can't wait to start filming.
There's a
So
lot. There's a lot.
there's a
Um,
lot.
there's a lot. And on almost on the flip side of that, is there any particular scene that you are really proud of that you're excited for audiences to see when the show comes out?
Yeah. Yeah. Honestly, like I'm rewatching the show. I've seen it twice now through. I could watch it 10 times over. Um, and that's not usually how it works for me with shows that I'm in. I usually can't watch them at all. So this is a feat. Um, but I was really, really excited to get to do that first scene with Garrett and Logan in episode one. It was our first day on set, and to really just get to drop into like these best friends and like that deep care that they have for each other. And it's like, you know what grounds them in a friendship, and it's that dream of being on the Bruins together. It's the love for the sport, and it's Logan reminding Garrett of like we're not doing this for anybody else. We're doing it because we love it. And to see that dynamic before you kind of start to see a bit of the riff and the misunderstanding between the two, I'm really proud of that. I'm really glad we got to see that version of Garrett and Logan. Also, let me tell you, the music that was added to that scene and to all the scenes, Keegan Dewitt is absolutely incredible. He elevated this in ways that I couldn't have even imagined. And when Logan's like, we're not doing this for them, we're doing it because we love it. And it like comes in with this beautiful chord of like it just like drops you in and you're like, wow, I'm in the heart of these characters right now. And he did it so beautifully and effortlessly. And yeah, I'm really proud of that scene. I think it was a good way to drop in and get to know the characters a little bit. So
Yes.
that was
Oh,
a
I love that.
long-winded answer, but yeah, I think
No,
that was it.
I love a long-winded answer. I want to hear everything you have to
Uh,
say.
Thanks.
But okay, talking about music. I know we briefly talked about music the other
Mhm.
day, but I
Yeah.
was also wondering from theater kid to theater kid, is there any show tune or show that you like can't get enough of right now? Because I know the people are loving Bloom from In Pieces. So what are you
Oh,
listening to?
man, I could listen to In Pieces front and back all day long. Joey
Yeah.
Contreras, man, let's give it up. Yeah, I love In Pieces. Um, I mean, obviously, like my favorite musical is Les Mis, so I could listen to that and sing that in the shower every day. Yeah, that's kind of my routine. Waitress is also a no skipper. I
Yeah.
think, yeah, I would say Waitress is like my go-to. Oh, God, now they're just all flooding to the surface. Waitress, obviously, Dogfight. Have you listened to
Oh, yeah.
Dogfight before?
I haven't listened to the whole thing, but I've listened to some of the songs.
Highly recommend those harmonies. Pascal and Paul, what are you doing? You guys are genius.
It's always
Um,
basketball.
more Pascal and Paul, Greatest Showman. Yeah, I could just list all of them now. So,
Yeah.
yeah, all of those.
Incredible.
What about you?
Incredible.
What's your favorite musical?
Oh, it kind of jumps around. I was
Yeah.
listening to My Days earlier
Hey
from
now,
The
Notebook.
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 If
Let's
I was
go.
if I was a soprano, I would want to be Marion in the Music Man. I love
Yeah.
that show. That's a great show.
Marion,
No,
man of my
exactly.
brain. So
Exactly.
good. So good.
Um, and I really do think people are going to love this show when it comes out. Is there
Yeah.
anything TV related or not that you can't get enough of right now? Somebody said
Mm.
coffee the other day. Like it can be anything.
Coffee's good. You know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and say the coconuts that they're giving us in Brazil.
Oh.
Uh, the whole entire cast has just been chowing away at the coconuts and just sipping away all day long. I wasn't there, but there was a day that they had at the pool the other day, and I think they went through at least 30 coconuts. So I would say the cast of Off Campus cannot get enough of these coconuts in Brazil.
That's amazing. I didn't even know that was an option. That's
Yeah,
incredible.
I didn't either. They had this waiting for me in my room in the hotel. Pretty solid. Pretty solid
Solid.
hospitality. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, Brazil.
Thank you, Brazil.
Um, and final question. You
Yeah.
have worked with so many cool people. Obviously, this
Yeah.
entire cast is amazing, and you've worked with people like Catherine Zeta-Jones in the National Treasure TV show. Is
Yes.
there anybody that you would love to work with in the future, either in a future season of Off Campus or just that you would love to
Ooh.
collaborate with creatively?
Ooh. Yeah, I mean there are so many people. I would say the first one that came to my mind just because it's been a dream role forever and I'm just gonna put it out in the universe. Um Jack Sparrow, baby. Any honestly, any Johnny Depp role. I've looked up to that guy my whole life, and just the kind of roles that he plays feels like the way that I want to lead my career. Very character driven.
Mm.
Um, yeah, maybe play a little young Jack Sparrow or something. I don't know.
Oh, that would
I
be
think that could be
cool.
I think that could be really cool. That's where I'm going. Yes. Yeah, I want to do it. I want to do
Disney,
it.
are you listening?
Gary?
Hello? Hello?
Hey. Thank
Well, thank you so much for chatting with me again. I can't wait
you.
for the show to be out, and for people to see it. But I hope that you have a great rest of your day and a great weekend.
Thank you so much. It was good to talk to you again.
Yeah, you too. I hope we
Really
get to talk
appreciate it.
again soon.
We will.
We
Absolutely.
will.
Now that I know you're a theater kid, I'm sure I'll see you around.
Yeah, sounds
Yeah.
good.